In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Helium 10 subscription. So the first thing you want to do once you are inside Helium 10, you want to go ahead and click on your profile icon top right and then click on plans and billing. What this will do is it will take you to a separate site where you can basically see all the possible plans as well as your billing options. So for me over here, since I'm on a free trial, I have all the plans over here I can subscribe to, but for you, in case you have an active plan you would like to essentially cancel the subscription off, you'll be able to see a cancel button just below it. So it's going to look something like this over here. So as you can see, it says cancel and you want to click on that button. Then after that, you want to, of course, read this where it says, are you sure you want to go? Click on continue to cancel. Then after that, you will basically have to put in the primary reason you want to cancel your plan. So tick one of these boxes, click on next. And after that, yet again, you want to click on continue at the bottom right. And after this, you'll be able to see this message which says subscription canceled. And then over here, it's going to basically say pretty much a few things, and you can just click on I understand to fully confirm the cancellation of your subscription. So that's pretty much how you do it. So yeah, you just go to billing, plans and billing, and then you'll be basically directed from there. So that's that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.